which you are going to get from this sub-center.
Kum ke Jing Pynkhlain ban kentiu gi Jingialehkai Lymba ke Jingikai ke bapaka ke jela Meghalaya ke pelong ia ke Jing kendu bat unong mi khmat gi Jingialehkai Lympat na ke Japan ha Anton Hall Don Bosco Shillong. La pelong ia kini ke Jingialang namar ba ke jela kan sepenyat ia ke National Games ke ban Selong. Bat kini ke Jing kendu ke long kum ke Jing Pynkhlain ban kentiu ia Jingialehkai Sports bat ia ke Jingikai ke bapaka. Tung ini kami kampanya Halor kini ke Kubor.
Lyngba ke Jingwani Shimenta jang u Yoshi Maru Yana Gawa ubadei unong hikai ke Japan's National Wrestling but ubala yoru ia ke jing itu ha ke perthei ku munong hikai betebet ubala ai Jingikai ye ki babun ke Jingialehkai kun thubru ya armut ki bra yo khor ya tak maksiar ha ke Olympic but saumut ki bra yo khor jing job ha ke Limpong World Championship kalawan ra ia ke jing smuthu ke bajana Halor ke ni ke Jingialehkai but ke jing shai ha ke ni ke program.
We came here to teach how technique about wrestling technique because it's new sport for this town. That's why we came from Japan.
So how many days have you been?
6 days before we came in. We are going back tomorrow morning. Probably not yet because they just started. Because many people started from MMA, not from wrestling. And our wrestler, we came here. They're Olympic champion, world champion. They started like 4 years old, and they're like 24 years old. So they already wrestled 20 years every day. So we just started this year. Just started wrestling about 3 years ago. So not enough yet, but maybe later.
Haga ni kasingi lai don langru kanong job haga Jingialehkai Lympat haga Olympic jongsnam aja pusa belalong ha Paris ka Sakaru Motoki bat ka Ami Ishi ka babat ya kanam ladu haga perthei haga Jingialehkai Lympat ka jingdon ka jongki banyamir jemut bat kisam lai Jingialehkai Lympat na ka jella kala ai mensim shibu ni kisam la ki udang Pynkhlain banyak khun haga National Games.
Potential so low technique level, but they are very nice guy. Yes, nice face.
Ya kini kinong mikmat apan ku buram haka program da kinong mikmat na katanat sport jong jela ki bakanthop yu ba John F. Khashing uba bat ku president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association bat iba Isaac Kamaplang uba long president ka Meghalaya Wrestling Association. Kinong panya jong kanika program kilo ong baka nika sinjam kan penslor but I masi mikisamla badon sap na jela.
We are looking forward to taking this further to get high performance quality training. We are discussing with the government and hopefully it will fructify that our athletes in preparation for national games get exposed to high performance quality training. Right? Of course, it may not be all. You'll be conducting Bazaya and team, they will be conducting the trials. So thank you very much to Johnson, all the way from Garo Hills and the team from Garo Hills, from Giant Hills, Basan. Thank you very much for all the athletes and all from East KHASI Hills, Northstone, East and West KHASI Hills. Keep it up, work hard.
Kenapa kejala kan laban pau haki Jingialehkai hakmat kari kum kan niga Jing Trelang lakmi lenti bahkan kenti ya kirukom ai Jinghikai ka bapaka pat ban sei ki Jingialehkai ki batibet na kejala. Bureau Report di News Meghalaya.